To the Scott Guy murder trial now, and what his brother-in-law told police in evidence. Ewan McDonald's account of when he knew the Fielding farmer had been shot contradicted other witnesses in the case. Simon Bradwell with the latest from the High Court in Wellington.
Ewan McDonald's told police that the night before Scott Guy died, he was in bed watching a TV program he'd recorded.
It would have either been Grey's Anatomy or Criminal Minds.
In his words, he slept solidly all night, went to work as normal until he heard his brother-in-law was dead. Rushing to the scene, he says he saw Scott Guy lying on the ground.
I could see obvious blood around Scott's head area. I could not say much else about Scott as I did not want to look anymore, and it was very obvious that he was dead. He looked limp and flat.
The truck driver who found Scott Guy thought his throat had been cut, but the Crown says Ewan McDonald insisted Mr Guy had been shot.
I remember thinking, how did Ewan know that Scott had been shot when he was down at the cordon?
Contrary to those accounts, Ewan McDonald said in a statement to police 2 weeks later and read in court today, he found out for certain that a firearm was the murder weapon the day after the murder. Police producing diagrams the accused drew of the murder scene, cooperating fully during 3 days of police interviews.
Ask him for a DNA sample?
Yes, that's correct.
Yeah, and he willingly provided that?
Yes.
Yeah. He answered every single question that you put to him?
Yes.
Police searching his house for footwear, failing to find diving boots like the ones they say the killer wore. The Crown said in court that another police interview with Ewan McDonald was recorded on DVD and is expected to be played to the jury. Another 60 witnesses also expected to give evidence before the trial ends. Simon Bradwell, One News.